Welcome to Autosport, everybody. Today we're joined with this icon, this 1957 Porsche 356A Speedster 1600S. Really excited to drive this car, get it out on the road. We've got a beautiful day to drive and talk about this car a little bit. It is finished here in silver over black, what I consider classic Speedster colors. We're going to have a really good time, and we'll see you on the road. All right, everyone, here we are inside the 356 Speedster. I'm going to do a little cold start. It's been outside since this morning. We pulled it out, and we're going to give it a start now. Starts right up. We're going to go through the usual courses. We'll hit the farm road, we'll do some twisties, some flybys, and we'll talk about what makes this Speedster so special. So we'll see you on the road, everybody. All right, so we're cruising along. My first impressions are this is a very austere interior. We've got everything we need, nothing we don't. We've got open top motoring. I hear that glorious flat 4 push rod behind me. This car was treated to a complete cosmetic restoration right here at Autosport. It was also completely mechanically sorted at that time. So when I get in this car, all I have to do is turn the key and go. I hope you enjoyed those flybys. With this being about 1,700 pounds, and we're working with about 75 horsepower, this car is an absolute blast just to cruise around, drive around the twisties. So just a little bit of history. About 579 Speedsters were made for 57. We do know that 1600S were made in fewer numbers than the others. So that's what makes this an even rarer Speedster. This car was produced, manufactured, and imported to the States at the request of Max Hoffman, who incidentally showroom 35 miles away from here. So we are in Max Hoffman territory, who we have to thank for a lot of other cars, actually, cars that we love. So here we are at the FFR, the farm road. We'll cruise down there a little bit, enjoy some of what Mother Nature has to offer, and we'll see you on the farm road, the FFR road. As you can see, the Speedster just drives phenomenally. I feel like I could drive this all day. I've got the wind in my hair, got the sun on my face. I love this, and I think that's what the Speedster is all about, just enjoying life. Yeah, we've got a top, we've got side windows, but this car wants to be driven with the top down. So if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel and sharing the video. We're also on Instagram at Autosport Designs, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.